Alright, so it's almost 2 o'clock in the morning and I'm about to head to the airport now, inshallah, to Miami Airport for my flight to JFK, and then I'm going to head to Riyadh and Jeddah, inshallah. So I'm going to be documenting my experience. I'm leaving for Hajj 2023, Alhamdulilah. I got my camp-only package through Nusuk Hajj, and I booked the rest of my package as a 5-star package in Makkah and inshallah in Madina. So I'll be documenting my experience. This is going to be the first video of several videos. So please stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, please like this video. Comment any questions you might have below. I'll try to get to them ASAP. And lastly, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell alert to stay up to date with all Hajj 2023 videos, inshallah. All right, let's go. Bismillah. Just got to the airport. Now I'm going to head to the business class lounge. So I have a flight to New York, and then from New York it's to Riyadh, and Riyadh to Jeddah. So I just got my boarding pass right now. Okay, I'm going into the Sky Club right now. I'm gonna rest here for about 2 hours before the flight, and kind of go from there. The flight is about 3 hours, and then we got another 3-hour layover in JFK. Oof.
لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا.
So I just boarded my flight. I am so exhausted. I can't even explain. I haven't slept all night. So this flight's gonna be about 3 hours to get to JFK. Then I have about 3.5 hour stopover at JFK, and then switching to Saudia Airlines. So let's see how that goes.
شريك لك لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك. जब चलूँगा मक्का से मीना की जानिब में मेरे हर कदम पे लबैक किए.
I just arrived at JFK. I'm going to the Saudi Airlines business lounge now. Airport is extremely packed. It's crazy. We just left Terminal 4. We have to go to the other side of the airport. I'm not sure what terminal. I think Terminal 8. The ride this bus is kind of annoying, but it is what it is. There's a line for Saudi Airlines right here. A lot of people. Crazy. Just got out of the security line at JFK. It's always a headache. I'm going to the Air France business class lounge right now. So if you have business class with Saudia, you have to use the Air France lounge. So I'll show you guys. So here's the lounge right here. We're gonna enter the lounge right now. I'm gonna show you guys around a little bit. So we have refreshments here. It's a pretty small size lobby compared to Miami, but not too bad. There's no halal options here, so you just gotta make sure you stick with the vegetarian or like, the eggs or something like that. Just resting up until our flight for Riyadh, inshallah. I just boarded my flight to Riyadh in business class, so this is about 12-13 hours, something like that. Probably gonna sleep the whole time, to be honest. But, I just ordered this date smoothie. I'm gonna try it. Let's give it a try. Oh, this is pretty good. It's nice. I like this. But business class on Saudi is probably my favorite, to be honest. I've tried like Emirates, I've tried Etihad, and a few other ones. And depending on the flight and what leg of the journey, it hasn't been that great. But Saudi, every time, they always impress. Alhamdulillah. So anticipate a very smooth flight, inshallah.
لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك.
This is cool. That's a falafel.
لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك.
Okay, so we're about 5 minutes from landing in Riyadh. So tired. Oh my gosh. I didn't sleep the night before, so the tiredness is catching up on me. It's crazy. But 3.5 hours here. Then we head out to Jeddah.
घटा के साए तले हुजाज किराम है।
Alright, we are at Riyadh Airport. We're going to take the shuttle to Terminal 5 for our flight to Jeddah, inshallah. We're going to this pillar number 35. We're going to take the bus to Terminal 5 and go to the Al Fursan lobby, inshallah. Wait there and get into Ihram and everything. Our journey to Jeddah, inshallah. So, got a lot to do. Not as much time. Flight departs, I believe, at 1 p.m. Right now it is 10:15, so it's going to take us probably like 15 minutes to get there, inshallah. Bus that we need to take right here, Riyadh bus. Just confirm with the driver for Terminal 5. This is the bus now, and we're going to head to Terminal 5.
पे सफर लबैक को लब पे सजाते हुए हुजाज किराम है महवे सफर जो दफन थे सीनों में यारो मुद्दत से हिजर।
Okay, just got to the Saudi lobby here in Riyadh Airport, inshallah.
वफा करने सारे हुजाज किराम है महवे सफर रहमत की घटा के साए तले हुजाज किराम है महवे सफर लबैक को लब पे सजाते हुए हुजाज किराम है महवे सफर जो दफन थे सीनों में यारो मुद्दत से हिजर के अरमा अब तक मिले वफा करने सारे हुजाज किराम है महवे सफर लब्बैक अल्लाहुम्मा लब्बैक लब्बैक ला शरीका लक लब्बैक इन्नल हम्दा والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك रोज़े की सब्ज़ की का मंजर वो मस्जिद नबवी की शौकत कुछ हसरतें थी पूरी करने हुजाज किराम है महवे सफर काबा को नजर में बसाना है।
Alright, I'm in Makkah, Alhamdulilah. Walking to Masjid Al Haram, King Fahad Gate right now to perform Umrah, inshallah. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik, labbaik la sharika laka labbaik, innal hamda wa ni'mata laka wal mulk la sharika lak.
हजरे असवद को चूमना है ये आरज़ू दिल ही दिल में लिए हुजाज किराम है महवे सफर लब्बैक अल्लाहुम्मा लब्बैक लब्बैक ला शरीका लक लब्बैक इन्नल हम्दा والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك ला शरीक लक। फिर शुक्र के अश्क बहाते हुए अरफात के मैदान जाते हुए अज़कार लबों पे सजाते हुए।
Alhamdulillah, completed Umrah. I'm here in Makkah, going on the streets of Makkah. I'm gonna grab some early breakfast here. Just prayed Fajr as well, freshened up at my hotel room, and went down to pray Fajr with Sheikh Duhaini. So now we're gonna go get something to eat, but I'm gonna end the video here. If you haven't already liked this video, please make sure to like this video and comment anything you like below. And lastly, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon and choose all alerts. I'll see you guys in the next Hajj video, inshallah. Jazakallah.